What's up guys, Akim Sterling here. Now in this video we are going to look at this depth gauge that comes in this package right here. This is basically a 3-in-1 depth gauge, and as you can see, I'm just going to do unboxing right now. So we have the digital depth gauge right here, which basically looks something like this in this package. So we have this one right here. This is a manual depth gauge that basically can use on your tire. Now this one guys, as you can see, this depth gauge can use on your motorcycle. So we have 3 different sizes right here. So we have this one right here is the 2mm, as you can see right there, and also we have the 3mm one right here, and also we have the 4mm. As you can see, we have the 5mm. So it basically increase as we go, the 6mm, 7, 8, and so on. You can see guys, you have different gauge for your brake pad right here. This basically shows you how far you can put your brake pad from your this wheel, as you can see right here, on your bike. Now this one right here, this depth gauge basically can use on your tire. You can see we have battery right here, you can sync it. We have the measurement and here, as you can see, and here we have different color indication that shows when your tire need to be changed. So if you go on this red mark right here, which means your tire need to be changed. This yellow one is basically a caution that it's gonna wear down soon. This green mark here is quite fine. Once it in the mark, you know that it is quite fine. It does need to be changed soon. So what we can basically do now guys, you can put your tire like this to test the gauge. So I'm going to test this one right here, this thread right here, and we can basically sink it down, and now we can see our reading right here, which is 8 and 32 on right there. So you can see it is quite fine, and we can test all of these as well. So all of them is basically on the same threading, so they are basically okay so far. We have the digital depth gauge right here. As you can see, this digital one that comes inside this package right here. As you can see, it comes with that extra battery. Here we have the battery, extra battery that comes inside. So as you can see guys, it's basically on right now, and we can set it to 0 by pressing the button right there. As you can see, it now at 0, and we can put this right here into our tire to basically measure it. So we can basically sink this down like this, as you can see, and we can reset it to 0. So depth is now at 0, so we can measure it onto a tire. Alright guys, so this is the depth gauge right here. I'm going to show you guys how to read this depth gauge right here. So basically you can place it on a tire by placing it in the middle section right here, and we can sink down this top part right here to see the reading. So basically you want to find a place on the tire that you want to put it on, and make sure that it's even, and you can place it down like this. As you can see guys, this is the reading, and this reading is in millimeters, so that is quite fine. It is 6.6 millimeter, which is not bad because this is a fairly new tire. So I'm going to test this one right here as well inside to see how it rear. So as you can see, inside is a bit bigger, or let's say thicker. So as you can see right there, test this one outer one right here as well. Basically a little bit bigger as well, and as inside right here. So you can see guys, we have different shading, and we can see that it's roughly an average 6 something, which is pretty good, decent tire. And this is how basically you check your tire gauge with the digital gauge right here, which is pretty accurate, as you guys can see.